New at 4:30, if you or someone you know uses medical marijuana, you may want to pay attention to this.
The TSA has updated its guidance, saying certain medical cannabis products may be allowed in carry-on and checked luggage. Carry-on Gamboa explains.
As we hit summer traveling season, flyers who have conditions that require them to have medical marijuana are now able to fly with the drug. The TSA republished their guidelines in late April of this year, stating the drug is now allowed in carry-on bags and checked bags with special instructions. The guidance also allows patients who use cannabis with qualifying medical issues to travel with their medication. It also added that its security procedures are focused on security threats, not drugs, saying TSA security officers do not search for illegal drugs. But if TSA officers come across an illegal substance or signs of criminal activity during a screening, they can turn the case over to law enforcement. A cannabis professor at Stockton University, Robert Mejas, says officers are there to keep people safe and don't really care about your cannabis.
If you're subtle about what you're doing, if you have your documentation, if you're polite and respectful, there's a very good chance you're not going to get any kind of issue with it. But if you cause problems, you may well be referred to local law enforcement.
He also suggests to travel only domestically when taking your medical marijuana.
When you go to another country, not being a citizen means that you do not have the same rights. You may not speak the language the same way. You don't know the legal system. So my advice, if you go on an international flight, don't bring any cannabis in any form at all.
The TSA website also mentions that TSA officers will have the final say on whether an item is allowed through. Kiriana Gamboa, 13 News Now.
Right now, there is no specific reason for the rule change. In Virginia, adults are allowed to use marijuana, but only certified medical marijuana patients are allowed to buy the drug.